Welcome to the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app MailerSend Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and you click on it. Then you click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page. Search for the custom page of the app, click on it. Then you're going to see this pop-up with all its necessary assets, such as the documentation and everything you need to begin the journey is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to walk you through on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up, no worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on Start Setup and you'll be required a token to complete the configuration. Let's head to the account online, click on Integrations, then you click on Manage and click on Create New Token. You give a sample name and you toggle the full access permissions on, then click on Generate Token. You copy the token and you can generate and keep for future use. Head back to your account and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. And there you go, your app has been successfully connected and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit detailed requests and our team will assist you promptly via a ticket and as well schedule a one-on-one call with our support team. We have the Changelog feature where you'll be able to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.